All right, we are going to update data binders with post-test data from 4B and pre-test data from your pre-test you took yesterday, 4C. So you're going to go to www.myhaiku.class.com/mmartins/history7. Right? This website is available all the time. You can always go look at your scores, and the website is underneath the SMART Goals poster on the white bulletin board. Okay, so you're going to go there. All right, and your username would be like 21 and then your initials, and your password is whatever you set it up with. Okay. All right, you should be on a page that looks similar to this. You're going to go here to assess and then grades. All right. Now, if you want to know what your grade actually is, this is your grade. It might not be totally updated in Canvas yet, but this is your average. All right. Unit 4A we've already done. 4B, post-test, that's the post-test you just took. So you're going to look, your percent is your rating. Remember, we don't do percents. So you're going to look at your post-test, and then you're going to go your 7th grade history reflection sheet. Try typing in reflection sheet to Google Drive. And Unit 4, Section B, pre-test score, going to be pre-test 4B, and you take what you have. So this person got a 1.5. So then in this, I'd put 1.5. And we did not do SMART goals for this, so just write NA, non-applicable. You can ignore the check, and then we're just going to do the post-test. So for the post-test, the 4B post-test, this person got a 3 rating. So they would put a 3. And then, since they don't need to reassess, they don't need to do a SMART goal. If you had gotten a 2 or lower, or 2.5 or lower, you would need to create a SMART goal. And those SMART goals need to be very specific. So on the reassessment test, now measurable, I will score, so you have to give a number, a 3. Okay. However, since this person got a 3, they don't need to make a SMART goal. All right, then you're going to go down to Unit 4, Section C, and we have taken the pretest and it has been scored for you. So this person on their pretest got a 1. So they're going to put a score of a 1 and now make a SMART goal for their post-test. By the post-test, I will score maybe a 2. Maybe a 3, maybe a 2.5, whatever. I will score a 3. Okay, so set whatever SMART goal you would like. When you are done, you now know how you scored. So since you now know how you scored, you're going to go to the Unit 4C, Colonial Governments, and go to February 23rd and hit Warm-Up Data Update, where you saw your warm-up. And there's a link down here, which if you do not have 3s, you need to do this link. If you have 3s, you're done with this video, and on your post-test, 3s on your post-test, and you on, let me be more specific, 3s on your post-test for Section B and 3 on your post-test for Section A. If you have 3s on those, then you do not need to move on with this video. You're done. You need to do 20% time. Yes, you may listen to music. If you did not have 3s on A and B, you need to go to this link here, Reassessment Requirements link. And here, you're going to pick where you are. If Section 4A, let's say in the post test you had a 1.5, then you would select this project link, 4A, so section 4, rating of a 1 to a 1.5. So you're working to get a 2. So you would click that link, and it takes you to directions, right? Read through them. If you have a 1 or a 1.5 and you want to get a 3, you have to complete this task first, then move on and do the 2 to a 2.5, because after you've completed the 1 to the 1.5 and shown mastery, you earn a 2. Then you can move up. If you already have a 2, you can just go straight to this project. One thing I would like to point out is this saying right here. Doing the activity does not guarantee a 3. You must show actual mastery. Doing these activities, if you don't do them well, then you're going to stay at a 1. You're going to stay at a 2, and you will have wasted your time. So you need to show me that you actually know the material and work to relearn it, because this is the chance you get to reassess. All right? When you finish all of that, then you can do 20% time projects.